property and continue for the previous class topic. Okay, so in this previous class we saw 4 dou square dou z bar equal to dou square divided by dou x square plus dou square divided by dou y square. You know what is z? Z is nothing but x plus iy. Z bar is also x minus iy. Then we are using the total property and we get the dou by dou z value and dou by dou z bar value. Dou by dou z equal to 1 by 2 dou by dou x minus I dou by dou y. Dou z bar is that is 1 by 2 dou by dou x plus I into dou by dou y. Then we are going to multiply dou divided by dou x, dou divided by dou z bar. That is dou into dou is dou square. Then dou z bar. Then 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. You know a minus b and a plus b. What is the formula? A minus b into a plus b. Yes, it is a square minus b square. So here a is dou by dou x, that is a square, dou square divided by dou x square. Then minus of dou square divided by dou y square. And I square, if it is I square is minus 1. I square value is minus 1 and formula having minus, that minus into minus is plus. So here we put plus symbol, dou square divided by dou x square plus dou square divided by dou y square, isn't it? So our proof is 4. So then we have to using the cross multiplication. So 4 times of dou square divided by dou z into dou z bar equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square divided by dou y square. This is the basic property. Okay. Then using this property we are going to solve the dou by dou x square plus dou by dou y square. Then modulus of f of z whole square equal to 4 times of modulus f dash of z whole square. So here we in this we are going to solving the property. Here we are going to using the property. So see the property, previous property. What is the property? That is dou by dou x square plus dou by dou y square equal to 4 times of dou square divided by dou z bar. So here we are going to comparing this. Okay. So here dou by dou x square and dou by dou x square and dou by dou y square. Okay. So here the missing term is modulus f of z. So in this property we are going to multiply modulus f of z the whole square in left hand side and right hand side. So this is the missing part. So we have to multiply the left hand side and the right hand side in the term of modulus f of z whole square. So here comparing, this is the left hand side. So the left hand side is we have to find it. Then we are going to find value of 4 modulus f dash of z whole square equal to 4 times of dou square dou z bar modulus f of z whole square. You using the property modulus z square is nothing but how we can write it is z into z bar. So here modulus f of z is modulus z square. So z bar. So we have to writing this f of z is write f of z and f of z bar. Then we have to multiply this into this. Okay. So then we have to split dou square divided by dou z, that is f of z, dou by dou z bar into f of z bar. So you know this is the function of f of z and this is the function of f of z bar. So dou by dou z of f of z is first derivative, that is f dash of z, and then this is the f dash of z. You know z bar we have to write in modulus z whole square. So this is dash of z. You know z bar we have to write in modulus z whole square. So this is the f dash of z and f dash of z bar. We have to write the f of that is 4 modulus f dash of z square. That is our right hand side is 4 into f dash of z the whole square. So here we have to prove the